Hello and welcome to Quick Maths with Mr. Johnson. In this video, you'll learn how to solve quadratic equations by the quadratic formula. Okay, now if you look at this, this is the general form of a quadratic equation. Ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a is the coefficient of x squared, b is the coefficient of x, and c is the constant term. And here is the quadratic formula. Now let us look at the first question. It says x squared plus 5x plus 1 equal to 0. Let us find out what is a, b, and c for this equation. A, right over here, the coefficient of x squared is 1, so a is 1. B, the coefficient of x is 5, so b is 5. And c is the constant term, which is 1. x equal to minus b plus or minus the square root of b square minus 4ac all divided by 2a. Now we already have found a, b, and c. So x equal to b is 5. So minus 5 plus or minus b square, which is 5 square, minus 4 times a, which is 1, times c, which is 1, all divided by 2 times a, which is 2 times 1. Now we need to tidy up a little bit more. X equal to minus 5 plus or minus 5 squared is 25, minus 4 times 1 is minus 4 times 1 is minus 4, all divided by 2 times 1 is 2. One more step, x equal to minus 5 plus or minus 25 minus 4 is 21, so square root of 21, all divided by 2. Now, since this is plus or minus, we need to separate this expression into two parts. So either x is equal to minus 5 positive root of 21 over 2, or x is equal to minus 5 negative root of 21 over 2, and get the answer. So x will be, when you do that on the calculator, you will get in one decimal place, your answer is going to be minus 0.2, or x will be minus 4.8. So these are the two answers. Okay, this has been rounded to one decimal place, both the answers. Okay, now let us look at the second one here, which says 5x squared equal to 6x plus 3. This quadratic equation is not in our general form. What is the general form of the quadratic equation? Which is ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0. And this one is not in that form, so we need to rearrange this and put it back into its standard form. So subtract 6x from the right hand side and do the same thing on the left hand side, and subtract 3 from the right hand side and do the same thing to the left hand side. So when you do that, you will have 5x squared minus 6x minus 3 equal to 0. Now we have the standard form. Let us write the formula. X equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac all divided by 2a. A is 5, b is minus 6, and c is minus 3. Okay, now especially b, when it is negative, here we need to use a bracket. So x equal to, this minus is there already in the formula. Our b is minus 6, so minus 6 plus or minus square root of Again, when you're squaring a negative number, we need to use bracket. Minus 6 square minus 4 times a is 5 and c is minus 3. Okay, all of this divided by 2 times a, which is 2 times 5. Now we have to tidy up this little bit. X equal to minus 6. Minus times minus 6 is positive 6, plus or minus square root negative 6 squared is positive 36, minus 4 times 5 is minus 20, minus 20 times minus 3 is plus 60. All of this divided by 10. 2 times 5 is 10. Okay, now x equal to 6 plus or minus 36 plus 60 is 96 all over 10. Now you can branch this out into 2. X equal to 6 positive root of 96 over 10, or x equal to 6 negative root of 96 over 10. Now take your calculator. Your answer, first one is going to be 4.61, and the second answer is going to be minus 0.941. Both of these answers have been rounded to 3 significant figures. Thank you very much.